Hey guys, today is gonna be like a vlog /
ringing doorbells again.
Yeah, again. This one's gonna be more dramatic.
More people at home.
Yeah, because everybody was on vacation, as you might know. And
I need to be in the camera.
on the
Okay.
camera.
On the,
Okay, so which
wait,
house?
are we actually going?
Which
no,
legit?
That's too posh, isn't it? That's way too posh.
Yeah, and they can hear us. So
Why are we even going? How can
We're
you
going to the
concentrate on the camera with this blimmin' cars?
it's such a nice day out. It's such a nice day, isn't it?
Look at this dude.
Chilling.
He's got the weirdest haircut ever.
I know. I'm going in 2
You've
days.
got your eye. You should get it out of your eyes.
I'm a horse, my friend.
You're the horse.
I'm a horse.
Yeah. Am I in a restricted area?
Yep.
Sick.
We're not even in restricted area though, so.
Oh, damn it. That'd been cool. No.
Look how long my arm is.
Do you wanna go
We're not jumping over this fence. I mean, there's a fence there. We're not jumping.
which is this Olivia?
We're doing somebody I know. Olivia is a nickname, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's somebody in our class. It's in our class, right?
Yeah.
That's the weirdest.
Yeah,
That's like one of our teachers. Don't say her name. Okay.
German. Is it a German teacher?
No!
From
At school.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, don't make fun of her. She's a really nice teacher.
That's true, but she's kind of like a bit.
She's
Like-
a bit.
Yes.
She's a bit too agree-ish. She never disagrees. Ever.
Yeah, no, she does not disagree. Like when one of our teachers, our science teacher, it's like,
She does it to like our English teacher, science teacher. Has she not done it? She's done it to our maths
because
teacher.
we haven't had any action yet, have we?
No. Why not?
And we
This is
are
just more like
2.5 minutes in. We have to go there, man.
Yeah, let's run, boy.
We need to save some energy, though. Oh, by the way, guys, like the video if you like. Here's a wrong kit.
Stop. You know. Oh, shh. Let's ring this doorbell.
No, we're not, are we?
Are we even gonna ring doorbells?
Yeah, but we're going to Olivia's house.
So if she
That's her
catches
nickname,
her-
so you can't stalk her. There's like tons of Olivias, but that's her nickname, so there's... Can you
I
get
want the camera. Grab the camera.
No!
I want the camera.
It's my channel, your guest. Isn't he?
Yeah, but we have like play dates every week.
No, we don't.
Well, we
We haven't had one for
We
like...
used to.
We haven't had one for the couple of 3 weeks.
Yeah, but that's because you were on damn holiday.
So are you. Can't say anything. Yes, you can. I know
can,
your
I
cheesy jokes.
I can.
Look at the height compared between us. I mean,
I feel so.
right. I'm not going to show you her her house, obviously,
That would be stupid.
for very good reasons, and I'm not going to show you the street
Who's
name.
gonna ring the doorbell?
From a garden. Oh no.
Was that from?
Yeah, that was from a garden.
Well, we know somebody's home. If live. Oh shoot! Butterfly.
What? Are you scared of butterflies?
No.
Oh, sugar.
Sugar ice.
Are you scared?
I'm not. Who's gonna ring the doorbell?
You have to be really quiet.
Is that my forfeit?
You go first. You go. But there's no kids. Hello. You like YouTube?
I don't think he believes that.
You're doing enough. You're doing this house. Your
What
request.
is-
Your request. Bonjour. You're in the house. I'm coming with you, don't worry. Are you scared?
Oh, hell yeah. What about you?
Sammy's it. No.
Wait, can we do it? Should we do it?
What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing it.
Let's do it.
Run around the corner and be so normal. It'll just be normal.
Oh my god.
We're just vlogging it.
Should we do it? Should
What?
we do another house?
Let's see if someone answers. Let's see if someone answers. How are you feeling? Just walk normally. Just walk normally. So we're just vlogging. Nothing special. Just a bit of my YouTube channel. It's growing. Making videos.
I've never dabbed since school. I've actually never dabbed since school.
We're not.
No.
Nice house.
Did anyone answer? Do you think?
You're not meant to tell. So let's go to a house where my friend used to live and somebody literally just moved in. Well, the windows are open, so I expect they're home, but should we do this house? This house right here. Or is it a too long run?
No, that's way too long.
Yeah, that run is too long. So we're not going to do that because that run is like, oh, that's it. There's a car coming. You're not allowed to see. It's number plate.
Why can't you just fuzz it out?
Yeah, 'cause I can't be bothered.
You can't be bothered to edit anything.
No, I can't. That car going to open the window against us.
It's a nice, yeah. I have to say the car.
Yeah, you could say the car.
That's a nice BMW.
Thinks that?
Oh, curse.
No. Oh, you crashed into me, the video camera.
Sorry.
Mallory House.
That's way too long.
What? That's long. Bruh.
What's the time?
It's going down.
Huh.
It's going down.
Wait, no way.
This house is huge.
You know these people?
No.
That's the person we got the ball from.
That's
know?
where we got the ball from, but that's like ages away. Imagine if oh geez, sorry.
Oh yeah. Do we have to end the video here?
Nope. For one more minute. Nah, actually, we're gonna end the video.
Yeah. We'll make a part 2 maybe.
We are gonna make a part 2 even. And
Because we only did one doorbell.
yeah. So see you in the next video. You do the outro. So yeah. You heard it, guys. Bye.